It's strong. The bottom floor. Okay, room 1. Gabby's knocked out already. We're attempting. Hey. Say hey. So room 3.
Are we gonna go somewhere today?
This one's the nice
Yeah, maybe. Why not?
You need toothbrush?
Right enough.
boys restaurant.
Hey!
I was thinking about that. I was thinking about that. I don't have nothing.
Mom has a deck of cards, like playing cards, and then she has.
Watch out, buddies. So this is in the same room. You go upstairs. We got like a little penthouse looking thingy. Say hey.
Hey! Something you know.
Okay, now we're going
Y aquí creo que tiene suficiente.
Jessica's
Yeah.
in my room.
We got good touch.
The closet. Then Jesse and I have the room with the tub. I suck at being still, so sooty. Then we got a little balcony looking thingy. I don't know how to open it yet, just got here. And that's it. Beautiful.